Okay, so we have everybody know that 642, okay, and we have 12 rocket parachute signals on the bridge, and in the live board is requirement 642. Okay, so the rocket parachute flares we contain in water resistant casing. Okay, everybody understand, and have integral means of ignition. This is very important. Understand now? Something I tell you that for the record, this is the intensity is 30,000 candelas, and we don't have even in the live board, so I did not bring here. So 15,000 candelas is for the red hand flares, okay, and orange is okay, nothing. The descending period is 5 meters per second, and the burning period is 40 seconds for the rocket parachute. For the red hand flare, the burning period is 1 minute, and for the orange smoke float, the burning period is approximate 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Now, descending period is 5 meters per second for this rocket parachute. Okay, it's go upwards approximate 300 meters. Okay, the velocity and everything we count by s equal to vit plus half at square, s equal to vit plus half gt square, and not projectile. This will not throw as a projectile. This is a procedure that will throw upwards. Okay, this is a procedure will throw upwards. Okay, now something I tell you regarding the important thing, have a burning period not less than but possible more than 40 seconds. Okay, not damage its parachute or attachments while burning. Okay, so understand. Now the second thing I tell you regarding the second thing, we have other thing is orange smoke float and red hand flare. The red hand flare is also important, and it has contained in a water resistant casing. We have also extra, but I did not put in my cabin. So this one. The second thing, burn with a bright red color. This is important for the red hand flare, which will thin down. Okay. The third thing is 15,000 candelas, I told you. And the main thing is continue to burn, have been immersed for a period of 10 seconds under 100 mm of water. Just I tell you, this is same for red hand flare, and this is same for orange smoke float. Okay, when we will put same in 100 mm water, this and orange smoke float will burn approximate 10 seconds. How many seconds? 10 seconds. Now the third thing we have is orange smoke float. Orange smoke float, the burning period is 3 minutes. Okay, and same I tell you, and very important for the emergency, this is all distress signals. Okay, and not be swamped in a seaway, and not emit any flame during the entire emission. This is very important, that not emit any flame. So we must know the periods of rocket parachute, red hand flares, and orange smoke float. Okay, so and we have to follow all the manufacturer instructions written here before we use this in distress. Thank you very much.